If you think I wake up at 5 a.m. on a Saturday, think again. This is what a real weekend morning looks like when you are single and living alone in Nigeria. First thing first, I check my phone. Is it productive? No. Will I stop? Also, no. After wasting a good 20 minutes in bed, I finally convinced myself to get up. First up, kitchen because tea is mandatory, guys. I don't always have time for skincare during the week, so Saturday mornings we'll do the full routine hydration, lip gloss, and a little self love, guys. Skincare on Saturdays just hits different. Quick face wash, small glow up, and lip gloss because we must look fresh even at home, guys. Cooking for one is stress, but I'm not about to starve, so let's keep it simple. So today is leftover or nothing because who has energy for semo at 9 a.m.? Now for the best part, food. I wanted to cook, but my spirit said leftovers are the way. So here I am heating up a leftover. Don't judge me. And now the grand finale, doing absolutely nothing. Nollywood drama, YouTube videos, and maybe some online shopping I don't need. Life is good. So tell me, how does your Saturday morning start? Are you productive or are you in the lazy but happy gang like me? Drop a comment. Mwah.